Hyungri, Chunbi, Taegeuk Poomsae 6, Taegeuk Yuk Jang. First motion, turn to the left, long stance, low block. 1. Front snap kick, outer forearm block, back stance. 2. Turn around, right hand low block, long stance. 1. Front snap kick, outer forearm block in back stance. 2. Towards the front, using your left leg and your right hand, make single outer knife hand block in the long stance. 1. With your right leg, make high section turning kick, land, step out, high section outer forearm block in long stance, reverse punch. 1. Front snap kick, reverse punch. 2. Make sure you have the opposite hand, opposite foot. Turn around, high section outer forearm block, reverse punch. 1. Front snap kick, reverse punch. 2. Check out your front stance, make sure your knee isn't going past your toes and it's 4.5 of your feet in length. From this position, move your feet parallel, making an X with your hands. 1. Slowly bring your hands down the front of your body to the count of 6 to 7 seconds, leaving your hands 1 handspan from your thighs. Moving your right leg forward with your left hand, make single outer knife block, long stance. 1. Using your left leg, make high section turning kick with kiap, land, turn 360 degrees round, landing in long stance, low block. 1. Front snap kick, outer forearm block in back stance. 2. Turn around, long stance, low block. 1. Front snap kick, outer forearm block. 2. Moving to the back, twin knife hand guarding block in back stance. 1. Twin knife hand guarding block in back stance. 2. Stepping back with your left hand, make palm block, then reverse punch in long stance. 1. This time, palm block with your right hand, stepping back with long stance, reverse punch. 2. There's no kiap at the end of this Poomsae form. Step back into Chunbi. Paro. Sure.